about 12 meters underground is the emergency room, so they don't really stay there. But like if we got attacked, if we got the toxin gas pump in, if they're trying to pump the water in, this will be where we're hiding from them. And we have the door like this to shut it down, close it, and then prevent the air to flow in. Because American, they try to use some of the techniques. First one is to pump in the toxin gas. And with this door, we shut it down and then hide in here until it's gone, and we're good to go again. The second one is that they're trying to pump the waters in, just like how you get a rat out of its hole. But when the water comes right in here, all we need to do is, like, let's say we shut this door and then the water goes down here and go back to the river. Yeah.
Very smart.
In here, we do even have medic room, cooking room, living room, meeting room, everything down here, just like a little society. One more thing, the most impressive thing to me is how they cook in that tunnel without any smoke. Let's say this is the cooking, the kitchen, the fire in here, and then the smoke gonna go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a lot of smaller boxes underground like that before exiting to the ground. And when it does, it's get cooled down. It's get cooled down by the soil. So when it exits, it does not fly up high, but it stays in the ground like mist. By that way, the airplane could not spot us and do the bombing. We do also, one more thing is that all of the crap from there, the shrapnels, get from the American bombs. And what we did was we set the fire at an empty ground, make it like fake signal, and they start to bomb that place. And then we come back there to collect the shrapnel and then we make knife, make guns,
the shrapnel.
make the landmines with that. That's like
very clever.
Reuse what they left in here. Yeah. All right. Let's do a walk. See the place. It's gonna be a quick walk.
The fighters had used their initiative to make bombs and bullets. They made a wooden platform with bullets on it. They also made explosives and grenades to fly straight and kill the enemy. Although they took from the Americans new kinds of guns and especially quick explosives, M71, the Kuti guerrillas never stopped using their own traditional weapons. Bamboo traps, which used to be used for hunting animals, now were used to hunt American enemies. Coming to Kuti, the Americans would always fall into these bamboo traps. Each trap is a trap for fighting. Every person is a soldier, a hero. That is the powerful force of Kuti guerrillas. Although they had to live in poverty, the Kuti inhabitants would not retreat and give way to 1 inch of their land. They were determined to stay and work, learning their father's saying, a rifle in one hand and a plow in the other. The enemy attacked in the morning. They plowed the fields at night. The fields and canals were full of bomb shells, but overcoming tremendous difficulties, they continued to work the guerrillas could eat enough and win the war. there were bamboo caps or hiding places. Underground with tunnels and ways on top of one another, creating an administrative system, joining one village to another, one province to another province, ensuring determination for all fighters to live safe under any circumstances and still be in positive position. Control system that through tunnels and their simple weapons to prevent the enemy from entering the village. But when the enemy passed into the village, the guerrillas could follow their steps day after day, appearing around the ground and the scene.
You can see nothing now.
Amazing. Bravo.
Oh, good.
Anyone else? My team?
And then when they have to step about 1 meter only.
Hey,
You can try
do it by yourself. Hands up.
copy the idea. But 2 hands up. 2 hands up.
You want to hold it first?
Оп.
Okay, I'll help then. Okay.
He do it, yeah, very good. Very good. That was well.
All right, bye, Brian.
See you, Brian. See you later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
When you stand it.
You see that? Well done, Brian.
Well done.
Oh.
Up, careful, careful.
Okay,
Yes, hands up.
yes, you are first.
Brian.
Just straight down.
Try that only 1 meter.
It's a hips. Yeah, it's up.
When you push yourself, don't do
Okay. No, this one does not have this one is not venomous. It's okay. Yeah.
Hear the shots.
Give us your hat, Brian.
That's all right.
You alright? Oh, we can see now.
Start to go around.
Did you go in? Did you go in that hole? Yeah?
Yeah, you can. It's all bigger.
There he is.
No, not big. Right. Now he's coming back.
My husband stuck now. Brian stuck there. Emergency.
Come on. I've just taken a few photos for you.
Oh yeah, he went down there and get a really good picture.
Oh, whoa, they weren't really down there.
Yeah, you can turn around down there.
Does it?
It's tight, but
Oh, nice.
I'll have to go down to
You recorded. Thank you.
Good, good.
One moment. I
I'll
take.
send it to you.
Okay, thank you.
There's 2 photos.
Yes,
down there.
please. Thank you. Yes, you put on. Yes, on WhatsApp. I take from that. Very good.
Yeah, but Rob had it.
Thanks.
Rob had a
Yeah, you post on WhatsApp. I take from that.
I'll do that later. I'll do that later.
Turn around.
Okay.
Good, yeah, okay.
Anyone else?
That was good. Thanks very much. I'll take a
They
picture.
put on
I'll send it
WhatsApp.
later.
On
That's great.
WhatsApp.
Yeah, thank you.
There's 3 of them.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Appreciate that. It's going down.
Yeah,
You want a torch?
You have a torch? Cal?
I should have gone down there and did something.
Wait.
This is
It's a bit more than a hole.
because Vietnamese is we really small, 40 kilos per person. But in America they like 80, 90 kilos. They are both probably double the size of us. So let's say if a Vietnamese walk on this one, it's fall slowly like this, and we just hop out. But yeah, if America one, they are way heavier than us. They have no chance.
No chance.
Can you lift it back up?
Yes, of course,
Scary.
we knows about these.
Where are you, Leo?
Yeah, they got no chance.
And these are the spike made out of bamboos.
That would hurt.
That would hurt. Yep. Sometimes it does not kill, but it's infected. Yeah.
So all the spikes will be up this way, obviously.
Yeah. Yeah. And the spikes stay in your flesh when you kind of pull it out. So, well, this sounds dirty, but we put litters on it, like not really poison, but we literally put hoops in there.
Yeah, lovely.
That's yeah. Who? Can't really go in by this way.
So what was that used for? Just
It's
It's just an example to show you, is
a
it?
hiding spot?
nope, it's a hiding spot, of course. Like the other guy saying.
Shooting, yes, of
But
course.
also, this is a fake tunnel.
Oh, okay.
When so it's actually someone can shoot you from there.
Oh.
So there's no entrance out here. There's a tunnel go across
A
that
tunnel
way.
across there, yep.
And if you trying to go down here and look
Yep.
for enemy,
Somebody will shoot you.
someone will shoot you from there.
Wow. Clever.
Smile.
You're
yes.
killing people. Oh.